Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a truly versatile kitchen companion, the Wahei Freiz MB-2160 in one multi-pot. Now, when you hear multi-pot, you might think of bulky electric appliances, but this is something quite different. This is an enameled steel pot, designed to be your go-to for cooking, simmering, frying, and even storage. Let's get right into the specifications. This pot has a compact footprint, measuring approximately 9.8 inches wide by 6.7 inches deep, with a height of about 5.9 inches. The pot itself is around 4.9 inches tall, giving it a total water capacity of about 0.6 gallons, or 2.2 liters. It weighs in at a manageable 2.3 pounds, making it easy to handle. The body is constructed from enameled steel plate, a robust 1 mm thick. The lid is made of heat-resistant glass, which is fantastic for keeping an eye on your culinary creations without lifting the lid and losing heat. What truly sets this pot apart is its claimed 7 functions in one unit. We're talking about boiling, simmering, cooking, frying, stewing, and even storage. This is a serious claim for a seemingly simple pot. The enameled finish is highlighted as being smooth and stain-resistant, which is a big deal for anyone who has wrestled with cleaning stubborn residues from pots. It's designed to easily remove things like curry and jams, which are notorious for sticking. And a particularly clever feature is its reduced height, specifically designed to allow you to store leftovers, like miso soup, directly in the refrigerator. This is a practical consideration that many pots overlook. The compatibility is also worth noting. It's listed as induction and gas compatible, which means it will work on a wide range of stovetops, adding to its versatility. This is a huge plus for those who might have multiple types of burners or are looking to upgrade their kitchen equipment without being limited by hob type. Now, let's break down those 7 functions. Boiling and simmering are standard for any good pot. Cooking is broad, but with its construction, it should handle everyday meals effectively. Frying, particularly for smaller portions or when you want to keep oil splatter contained, seems plausible. Stewing is a natural fit for a pot of this depth and material, allowing for slow, even heat distribution. The storage aspect is where this pot really shines. The idea of cooking a meal, letting it cool slightly, and then placing the pot directly into the fridge is incredibly efficient. The enamel coating, being non-porous, should prevent any lingering odors or flavors from transferring to your refrigerator. And the lid, while primarily for cooking, also serves as a way to keep your food fresh and protected in storage. Let's talk about the pros and cons based on these details. The primary pro is undoubtedly its versatility. 7 functions in one pot significantly reduces clutter and offers incredible convenience for home cooks. The compact size is perfect for smaller kitchens or for individuals and couples. The ease of cleaning due to the enamel finish is another major advantage, saving you time and effort after meals. The refrigerator storage capability is a unique and practical feature that streamlines the entire cooking and storage process. Its compatibility with both induction and gas cooktops makes it a future-proof investment for many kitchens. On the con side, the 0.6 gallon capacity might be too small for larger families or for batch cooking extensive meals. While it can fry, it's unlikely to replace a dedicated frying pan for larger-scale frying tasks. The weight, while not excessive, might be a consideration for those who prefer extremely lightweight cookware. And while the enamel is durable, it can still chip if mishandled, so a little care will be needed. In conclusion, the Wahei Freiz MB-2160 in one multi-pot is a compelling option for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen workflow. It cleverly combines cooking and storage in a compact, easy-to-clean design. Its multifunctional nature and broad hob compatibility make it a valuable addition, especially for those with limited space or who appreciate streamlined meal preparation. If you're looking for a do-it-all pot that's more than just a cooking vessel, this might be exactly what you need. Link in the description.